Welcome, chosen ones, to a journey beyond the ordinary, a voyage into the depths of your soul, where the whispers of the universe echo with purpose and meaning. Today, we embark on an exploration that promises not only to illuminate your path, but to awaken the divine power that resides within you. Feel the energy in the air, the tingling sensation that tells you something extraordinary is about to unfold. If you're drawn to this moment, it's not by accident. Comment 77 below if you feel the divine connection calling you, affirming the synchronicity of our shared journey. What I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about your spiritual journey. You see, you are not merely wandering through life. You are a chosen one, destined for greatness, and this truth sets you apart. Yet, it also connects you deeply with others who walk this sacred path. Imagine the universe as a vast, intricate web where each thread is a soul reaching out, seeking connection, seeking purpose. You are not alone in this. Your spiritual gifts, the very essence that makes you unique, are the threads of this cosmic tapestry. They might make you feel different, but they also unite you with those who understand the language of the spirit, who resonate with the same divine frequency. As you embrace your destiny, feel the unity that comes with it. Picture the countless souls across the US, the UK, and Canada who share this journey with you, each one a beacon of light, together forming a constellation that guides others through the darkness. In moments of doubt, when the noise of the world drowns out the whispers of your heart, remember that you are part of a collective, a sacred gathering of chosen ones walking alongside you. This is your spiritual family, a community bound not by blood, but by the shared purpose of awakening and transformation. In this moment, allow yourself to be vulnerable, to reach out and connect with the energy of those who travel with you. Feel the embrace of this community. Know that your struggles, your triumphs, and your spiritual revelations are mirrored in the lives of others who stand with you. Together, you are stronger, more resilient, more capable of fulfilling the destiny that awaits. Comment 77 if you feel the power and unity of this connection. Let your voice be heard and let your spirit soar. For you are not alone on this sacred path. Have you ever wondered if the universe is trying to tell you something? If you're seeing this video, it's no coincidence. The universe communicates in the language of signs and synchronicities, subtle yet profound messages that guide you toward your true purpose. These whispers of the cosmos are all around you, waiting to be discovered and understood. Open your heart and mind, for what you perceive as random events are, in truth, the universe's way of leading you home. Imagine walking through life as if it were a grand adventure, where every moment holds the potential for revelation. The universe speaks to you in the gentle rustling of leaves, in the patterns of clouds, in the unexpected encounters with strangers who seem to know your soul. It is in these seemingly mundane instances that the magic happens. Have you ever experienced a coincidence so striking that it left you in awe? A moment that felt like more than mere chance? These are the moments when the universe is speaking directly to you, urging you to pay attention, to listen with your heart. Signs are everywhere if you choose to see them. Numbers appearing repeatedly, dreams that linger long after waking, a song playing at precisely the right moment. These are not accidents. They are the universe's way of aligning you with your destiny, pointing you towards the path you're meant to follow. When you notice these signs, don't dismiss them as mere happenstance. Instead, embrace them as gentle nudges, guiding your steps and affirming your journey. The more you open yourself to these synchronicities, the more you'll realize that you are part of something far greater than yourself. This is a universe that conspires in your favor, a cosmic dance where you are both the dancer and the dance. Trust in these moments, for they hold the key to unlocking your true potential. Comment 77 if you've experienced the magic of synchronicity, if you've felt the universe whispering to your soul. As you continue on this journey, stay receptive to the signs that appear. They are the universe's love letters to you, reminders that you are seen, heard, and cherished. Embrace them and let them guide you towards the fulfillment of your destiny. You are a chosen one, and the universe is speaking directly to you. Listen closely, for your path is unfolding in divine perfection. In the moments of uncertainty, when the shadows of doubt loom large, remember this: you are held in the embrace of a divine plan that is far greater than your fears. Trust in the unseen forces that guide your steps, for they are leading you towards a destiny woven with threads of gold. Doubt may whisper in your ear, filling your mind with questions and hesitations, but faith is the unwavering voice of the soul, reminding you to surrender to the flow of life. Every challenge, every setback, every moment of confusion is a stepping stone on the path to your highest purpose. Embrace the unknown with open arms, for it is in the darkness that the light of your soul shines brightest. The twists and turns of life are not random chaos, but intricate patterns designed to sculpt your spirit into a vessel of wisdom and resilience. When you find yourself at a crossroads, unsure of which way to turn, close your eyes and listen to the whispers of your heart. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, a plan that is unfolding with perfect timing and precision. Release the need to control every outcome, for true liberation comes from surrendering to the divine flow. Let go of the fears that hold you back, and instead, embrace the faith that propels you forward. Your journey is a sacred dance between fate and free will, where every choice you make shapes the tapestry of your destiny. Choose trust over doubt, choose faith over fear, and watch as the miracles of the universe unfold before your eyes. In this moment, take a deep breath and feel the peace that comes with surrender. Know that you are never alone, that the universe walks beside you, guiding you with gentle hands and loving intentions. Trust in the divine plan that is unfolding in your life, and watch as the miracles of faith transform your reality. Comment 77 if you are ready to release doubt and embrace the divine plan that awaits you. Amidst the chaos and noise of the world, there is a sanctuary within you, a place of stillness, strength, and boundless wisdom. It is in the depths of solitude that you discover the true essence of your being, where the distractions of the external world fade away and the whispers of your soul become clear. Embrace the power of solitude, for it is in these quiet moments that you find the courage to face your fears, the resilience to overcome your obstacles, and the clarity to see your path with unwavering certainty. When you retreat into the sanctuary of your inner self, you connect with a force greater than any external power, the force of your spirit. Here, in the sacred space of your soul, lies the wellspring of your strength, the source of your resilience, and the fountain of your creativity. It is in solitude that you confront the shadows that lurk within, the doubts that cloud your mind, and the fears that paralyze your spirit. But it is also in solitude that you discover the light that shines within, the truth that sets you free, and the love that binds you to all of creation. Do not fear the silence, for it is in the silence that you find your voice. Do not shy away from the darkness, for it is in the darkness that you discover your light. Embrace the solitude that surrounds you, for it is in this stillness that you connect with the infinite wisdom of the universe. When you listen to the whispers of your soul, you will hear the truth that has been waiting to be revealed, the guidance that has been longing to be heard, and the love that has been yearning to be felt. Take a moment now to close your eyes and breathe deeply. Feel the strength that lies within you, the courage that flows through your veins, and the power that emanates from your spirit. You are a warrior of the light, a beacon of hope in a world of shadows. Embrace your inner strength, for it is the foundation upon which your divine power stands. Comment 77 if you are ready to find courage in solitude and awaken the warrior within. In the cacophony of the world, there is a voice that speaks with clarity, wisdom, and love, the voice of your intuition. It is the gentle whisper that guides your steps, the subtle nudge that steers you towards your destiny, and the profound knowing that resonates deep within your soul. When you learn to trust your intuition, you unlock a gateway to the infinite wisdom of the universe, a portal through which divine guidance flows freely. Your intuition is not bound by the limitations of the physical world, but transcends time and space to connect with the eternal truths of the cosmos. It is the compass that points you towards your true north, the lighthouse that guides you through the storms of life, and the oracle that reveals the mysteries of your soul. When you listen to the voice of your intuition, you align yourself with the divine plan that is unfolding in your life, and you open yourself to the miracles that await you. Do not ignore the whispers of your intuition, for they are the breadcrumbs that lead you towards your highest good. Trust in the guidance that comes from within, for it is the voice of your soul speaking directly to you. When you quiet the noise of the world and listen to the stillness of your heart, you will hear the messages that have been waiting to be heard, the revelations that have been longing to be revealed, and the truths that have been yearning to be known. Take a moment now to tune into the frequency of your intuition. Close your eyes, place a hand over your heart, and breathe deeply. Feel the gentle whispers that flow through your being, the subtle nudges that guide your decisions, and the profound insights that illuminate your path. You are a vessel of divine wisdom, a channel through which the universe speaks its truth. Embrace the power of your intuition, for it is the key that unlocks the mysteries of your soul. Comment 77 if you are ready to listen to your inner voice and follow its guidance. As we reach the culmination of this sacred journey, it is time to unlock the secrets of manifesting abundance in your life. Abundance is not just about material wealth. It is about aligning your actions with your true purpose, resonating with the frequency of the universe, and attracting the blessings that are meant for you. When you walk in alignment with your soul's calling, you become a magnet for prosperity, joy, and fulfillment. Picture a life where every step you take is infused with intention, where every decision you make is guided by your higher self. This is the path of abundance, where you no longer chase after success, but instead allow it to flow effortlessly towards you. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the vibration of abundance, you create a magnetic field that draws in all that is meant for you. The universe is a generous benefactor, ready to shower you with blessings beyond your wildest dreams. But to receive this abundance, you must first believe in your worthiness, trust in the benevolence of the universe, and take inspired action towards your goals. When you operate from a place of abundance consciousness, scarcity and lack have no power over you. You become a co-creator with the universe, shaping your reality according to your deepest desires. Take a moment now to envision the life of abundance you wish to manifest. Feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and contentment as if your dreams have already come true. Visualize yourself living in alignment with your true purpose, surrounded by love, success, and fulfillment. This is your divine birthright, your inheritance as a chosen one. Embrace the power of manifestation, for it is the key to unlocking the limitless potential that resides within you. Trust in the process, believe in your divine worth, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your dreams to life. You are a beacon of light, a vessel of abundance, and a magnet for miracles. Comment 77 if you are ready to align with your true purpose and manifest the life of your dreams. As we come to the end of this transformative journey, remember that your spiritual awakening is an ongoing process, a continuous evolution of the soul. Every insight, every revelation, and every moment of connection has brought you closer to your true self, your divine essence, and your highest potential. The light within you shines brighter now, illuminating the path for others who seek hope, purpose, and transformation. But the journey does not end here. It is a spiral, ever unfolding, ever expanding, leading you deeper into the mysteries of existence. As you step into your true self, embrace the power that resides within you, the wisdom that flows through you, and the love that radiates from your being. You are a beacon of light in a world of shadows, a warrior of the spirit, and a chosen one destined for greatness. Remember to carry the torch of inspiration with you, to share the light that has illuminated your path with others who are still searching. Like, comment, and share this video to spread the message of hope, purpose, and transformation to all who need it. Together, we form a web of light that reaches across continents, connecting souls in a tapestry of unity and love. As you continue on your journey, may you always remember the power that resides within you, the divinity that flows through you, and the infinite potential that awaits you. You are a chosen one, called to shine your light brightly in a world that yearns for illumination. Step into your true self, embrace your divine power, and share the light with all those who cross your path. Your journey continues, and the universe awaits your next steps with open arms. Thank you for joining this spiritual voyage. Together, we shine brighter, glowing red.